This should be the guy. NFL, open up!
Oh jeez. Oh hey. What the flip? Hi.
Oh god, I killed the wrong guy. Oh, what? Where am I? What? Are you the guy I killed?
Uh-huh.
Well, I'm sorry about that.
Why didn't you ask me if I had seen the person you were looking for before you shot me?
Wait, what do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean?
What do you mean? How do you know?
Because, after you die, for like a couple of minutes, you look at the person that was closest to you, which was you.
Well, I'm sorry. The guy that's wanted was living in the place you were in, and you look exactly the same, but you're less hairy than him.
Oh, okay. That place I moved into yesterday.
Well, anyway, I'm a failure.
Don't worry, we're in heaven now, so it doesn't matter.
Woo! So all my pasts have been left behind now.
Yep.
Well, woohoo! Can we be friends?
Sure.
Woo!